how to apply for a student visa online in Australia. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a student visa online in Australia. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Ensure you're enrolled in a registered Australian educational institution as you'll need a confirmation of enrollment code for your visa application. Head to the Australian Government's Department of Home Affairs website and create an IME account if you don't already have one. This account is essential for managing your visa application online. Collect all necessary documents, including your passport, evidence of financial capacity, overseas student health cover OSH, and any English language proficiency test results, such as IELTS or TOEFL. Log into your IME account and start the application for the student visa subclass 500. Fill in your personal details, course information, and other required information. Upload all required documents to support your application. Depending on your country of origin and the duration of your stay, you may need to complete a health examination and character assessment. Submit the visa application fee online through your IME account. Fees vary, so check the current amount before proceeding with the payment. Double check all information for accuracy as errors can delay processing times. Once confirmed, submit the application. Processing times vary, so be prepared for a waiting period. Once your application is processed, you'll receive a decision notification in your IME account. That's all for the video.